Welcome back, guys. I'm KP,
This is Geno J,
the real estate gurus, and today we're going to take you guys on a trip on how to evaluate an addition. So the property behind me is a new property right next to a property we just popped the top on. But on this one, we got a couple ways that we can do an addition on it. And with that being said, I'll let Geno tell you guys on some thoughts that we may take on this property.
All right, guys, the first thing is I get a lot of questions on how to do an addition, what's the process on doing an addition. So I just want to break down the simple steps and just try to make it easy on how to go about doing an addition. The first thing is, once you find the property that you want to do an addition on, you got to figure out where you want, if you want to go up or if you want to go back or if you want to go to the side. So you got to figure out what type of addition you want to do. And sometimes, depending on the lot and where the property is located in the municipality, is going to dictate what you can and you can't do. So getting a survey is the first step, because once you get that survey, it'll tell you what you can build, what you can't build. It'll tell you if the property's in the flood zone. So that's the first thing, getting a survey. The second thing is getting a architect and an engineer involved, because the architect is going to come draw the property out and the engineer is going to look at the different loads and how the beams are ran underneath the house and even in the ceiling joists. So together, the architect and engineer can help you come up with your plan based on what's existing. So survey, architect and engineer, and then once you have those two things, you can do a site plan, because the site plan is just a survey, but it shows you on the site plan on what you plan on doing to the property in terms of the addition. And now you have the basic things that you need for your permitting process to be able to go ahead and turn your permits in. So those are the key things before you get involved in starting doing your addition. In terms of numbers, right now lumber is up a little bit, but just to give you an idea on how much additions cost in Metro Atlanta, you're going to pay anywhere from 100 to 120 per square foot for just the addition. So if you plan on doing 1,000 square feet, you can pay anywhere from 100 to 120,000 just for 1,000 square foot addition. Now you also have to take in consideration the existing house. The existing house could be anywhere from $50 to $70 a square foot just for the existing house. So if the existing house is 1,000 square feet, that's going to cost you anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 for the existing house. And if you plan on adding 100,000 square feet to this, then you have to add that 100 to 120,000 square foot. So this addition can cost anywhere from 150 to 170. So guys, I hope you learned something. Please hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And those are just some tidbits and some tips on how to go about doing an addition.